Hello everybody, this is Helen. Welcome to my first Python assignment via PictoBlocks. PictoBlocks is a very interesting program that uses Python. Today we will code a loan interest calculator using Python. Our sprite main character is Toby. So as we can see here, the first command, we can see sprite is equal to sprite Toby. So we have to define an interest calculator but we have to define the amounts. So we have the principal, rate, and time. Of course, the amount is very important. So we have principal plus principal multiplied by rate and also time divided by 100. Of course, we have to return amount because it's a very important issue, especially the return, because this function amount will always have a return value. So sprite input function is very important for Toby to say enter the principal amount. Then we have to make principal to use float. Float is a function actually that converts values into floating point numbers. So principal is equals to float. So when we can add numbers, let's say what the principal amount of a loan that we have already taken. So the sprite will answer. Second sprite input function is enter interest rate. Enter interest rate. We have to make rate float. So once again, sprite answer function, and the third sprite input function is enter the time, meaning the period, like years, like months, that we have already taken this loan. So time is equals to float. So sprite answer and function. So sprite say function amount is more than, greater than. Okay, so we have to add a string for declare principal rate time. But we have to use the interest calculator and we have to add some time. There is, I have forgotten a word, interest calculator. So let's see if everything is okay. Float sprite answer, enter the time, enter interest rate, and let's find out if our code is correct. So enter the principal amount, 10,000. Okay. So attribute error. Sprite object has no attribute answers. The above error occurred on line 8. So let's see what's going on. Principal, float, sprite, answers. It's not answer, it's answers. Let's see if everything is okay. We don't have to panic, but actually we need some time to correct our mistakes. Let's see. 10,000, 5 interest rate, and the time, it's about 10. So the amount is 15,000. So the calculator works, and it's very important to correct our mistakes. Thank you very much.